What's up, guys? So we are en route to get ourselves something new. So check it out. Stay tuned. See what we got in store. By the way, say hi to Belle, baby Belle. She's riding. She's riding in the back. It's what the Rivian's perfect for. You know, it's like a huge playground for that little girl. All right, let's see where we're going. So guys, 1 year ago to this day, we picked up the Rivian R1S, December 17th. And what do we do a year later? And we didn't even know this was gonna happen. But to this day, of this year, 2024, look what we got. We already got nice and rounded and nice smooth body lines, so we had to go for something like a slice of cheese. So we got ourselves, we didn't get that, we got this. So we already got Tim's Ultra Red, but now we got ourselves Stealth Gray. So we got ourselves some fire and smoke. So check it out. We don't know what we're gonna do with this one, but it's gonna be exciting. So stay tuned and check it out. We just got ourselves a new 2024 Model 3 Performance in Stealth Gray to add to the cavalry. And it'll be neat to see this one and Tim's side by side. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out the channel. Stay tuned. ZEVcentric on YouTube.